2024 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter Cargo Van. This van transports any and all cargo to its final destination. It includes ample space for all passengers and comes with the following: turbocharged engine, diesel fuel, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auxiliary input, stability control, adjustable steering wheel. Schedule a test drive now before this model is gone.